Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to receive money from Zelle with Navy Federal. First, open the Navy Federal app and log in with your username and password. Next, tap Send Money, then select Send Money with Zelle. If this is your first time, tap Get Started to connect Zelle to your Navy Federal account. This only takes a few steps. Once Zelle is connected, receiving money is simple. Anyone who wants to send you money can do so using your linked email or phone number. The funds will appear instantly in your Navy Federal account. You'll also get a notification letting you know the payment has arrived. And that's it. That's how to receive money from Zelle with Navy Federal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.